Hi everybody, my name is Michael Levan, and in this video we're going to learn about how to create our first project, how to create sub-projects, and ultimately what projects are for. So first things first, I'm at my CloudTruth dashboard here, and under organization I'm going to click on projects. Now as you can see, there's a default project here. We can go ahead and we can just delete that, and now we have no projects. So when we're creating a project, really what I want you to think about is your application and its resources. So let's go ahead and click on add project, and we're going to call this web app. And I'm going to click on create project. Now pretend for this web app it's an Nginx web app, and you have the application itself, and then you need to be able to create a Kubernetes service so that application can be accessed. So what we can do here is I'm going to click on add project, and what we're going to do is we're going to call this Nginx deployment. Now right here under parent project, I'm going to click on my web app, and then I'm going to click create project. Now let's go ahead and create another project. We're going to call it Nginx service. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose web app again. So as you can see here, we have our parent directory, essentially, which is our web app. And then underneath our web app, it's going to have multiple different pieces. It's going to have a Kubernetes deployment to get the application up and running. It's going to have a Kubernetes service so that Nginx service or that Nginx web app can be accessed. Now, when I go to parameters here, I can add a parameter or a secret, and we'll go ahead and we'll call this, for example, name. So the name of our application. We're going to go ahead and we're going to click create parameter, and then we'll go ahead and we'll give this a value, Nginx app, then we'll click save here. So now I have this parameter that's available inside of my web app project. And this parameter can be accessed throughout my project and the sub-projects here. Now let's go ahead and flip over to more of a real world scenario to give you an idea of what this would look like. So I have a CloudTruth demo here, which is the CloudTruth integration for Kubernetes. Now if I go to projects here, notice how I have a common service, and then I have a backend, and I have a login. Now if I go to, for example, the backend here, and then I click on parameters, inside of my parameters, I not only have the parameters available for my backend and my login, but I also have the templates available. So if I click on the deployment template, here is my Kubernetes manifest that I can use inside of my project. So point being, when you're thinking about projects, I really want you to think of your application hierarchy, what it's going to look like, and then what you need to store for that application. In this case, it's going to be parameters, secrets, and Kubernetes manifests. That's how you can get started with projects in CloudTruth. Thank you so much for watching.